A for aeroplane. An aeroplane flies in the sky. B for ball. Basketball is my favorite sport. C for cat. Cats can see and hear better than humans. D for dance. Oh, what a lovely dance by the couple. E for elephant. Elephant is the largest land mammal. F for fish. The fish tank at aquarium has so many colorful. G for gun. The policemen use guns to catch. I for ice cream. Summers are for ice creams. K for kite. The sky is full of kites during festival. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M for monkey. The monkeys like to eat bananas. R for rocket. Superman flies as fast as a rocket.
3, 2, 1.
S for scooter. Always wear a helmet while riding a scooter. T for torch. I lit my torch while entering in the dark basement. X for Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December every year. Y for yoga. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June. Z for zebra. No two zebras have same stripes.